Okay, so these are the boots I made about 6 months ago, and I've been wearing them nearly every day since. When I started learning how to make boots, I wanted to make something that was hard wearing, stylish, and comfortable enough to wear in and out of the workshop every day. Now, in terms of durability, these boots have been great, but when it comes to comfort, I think there's some room for improvement. So today, I'm going to give them a new look with these Vibram Christy work boot soles. And with that said, let's get started with the teardown.
that about wraps it up on this Resole, and I'm pretty happy with how these turned out, you know. To be honest, they do look a little bit strange to me at the moment. I'm so used to how these boots have looked over the last 6 months just wearing them that these Vibram Christy soles, they almost look like big marshmallow pads stuck on the bottom. But I do think they're going to provide a lot more comfort and support just standing and working on concrete all day. So I'm pretty excited to just try them out and see how they go. The thing about footwear like this, whether it's handmade or something that's factory made, you can just keep resoling it. These types of boots, they don't wear out, they wear in. If you like the boots, you can always change the sole, you can get them repaired, and I love products that, you know, the more you wear them, the better they get. So that's it. Look forward to sharing another project with you in the next video, and that's all for now.